Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we continue looking at some of the settings, some of the changes you can do in Google Chrome. If you want to change it for something else, if you want to use a different option, a different setting, and we'll take a look at a lot of little things that you can change to maybe, you will feel more either more secure, or maybe your privacy is a concern, and so on. And of course all the settings that you can change and turn on or off, and what they do and what will happen. Now, when you use Google Chrome, of course by default the search engine is Google, and for me it's not a problem in general. For a lot of people it's probably not a problem either, but maybe you're concerned, maybe you'd like to use something else. Maybe you want to use a search engine that doesn't track you, or doesn't track you as much as, of course, Google does. Well, you can change your search engine in Google Chrome. So if you go through the three vertical dots, go into settings, there on the left side you'll see search engine. Click there. You see here I have DuckDuckGo right now. Of course by default it's Google. You can also click manage search engines and search sites. So here you will have some of the settings that are for the Google sites there, but you might have also others that you might want to have. You can add one with this address bar if you want. So depending on what you're using, you can change those, and you can even add some that are missing. So when you change, for example, to DuckDuckGo, that means that now if you do a search in this address bar here, let's say I'm going to search for numbers, press enter, you see that now my search is directed by DuckDuckGo and not Google anymore. So this is a change of, search engine to something else. And you know what, if that is something that you want and makes you kind of feel more secure and private and have more privacy, you can definitely do that. So just, choose whatever search engine you want that is what's going to make you feel good. And that's as easy as this, as going into the settings, search engine, and just choosing the one you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.